Yeah. Yeah. I gotta do this shit by myself though. So we about to open this box up, man. Bang. Yeah, we right back with it. You see it? Yeah, you see it. So check it out. This is the Mars Hydro TSL 2000. Yeah, we right back with another, y'all. Check it out. Check it out. Woo-wee. I can't wait to flip this over, show y'all, bro. I can't wait. Look here. You get you a timer inside the box. You know what I'm talking about? You get you some hangers. It's inside the box. You see it. You know? You get you a temp and humidity meter. It's inside the box. You know how I do. Dang. And we got the slap-a-reenies inside the box. So when you cop yours, you get all this inside the box. TSL 2000 Mars Hydro. You know what I'm saying? Back with another. Check it out though. But this is what you get in here, man. You get some slaps. You get you a timer. You get you some hangers. You get your humidity meter and temperature meter. Boom. You got your dimmer right here. You got your ports for the daisy chain. You can connect up to 15 of these jumps together, man. You know what I'm saying? Each one of them only pulling what? 300 watts? That ain't shit, dog. That's like having what? 3, 4, 75 watt light bulbs in your house. You know them old school Jones, them hot ass little light bulbs, light bulb head ass nigga, Tweety Bird head ass lights. But check it out, man. But this was in here, man. Dang, Mars Hydro with it. TSL 2000. Like I said, you can connect 15 of these jumps up together. 300 watts, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Let's do this, man. I'm one-handed it, though. See what I'm saying? I got the camera. I'm going to show y'all what this look like. Oh, and don't forget about the Moso driver up on this jump. Up on this jump. Yeah. Let me flip this jump, man. Let's see what it do. Let me see what it do. I need 2 hands. Oh, no, I don't. Oh, this weighs nothing. This weighs nothing. This weighs nothing. Woo. It's got that coating on it. A little coating. That's cool. Mars Hydro, you see it. It's like what, 600 and something, 680 something diodes in this joint, man. Man, I'm about to go hang this thing up in the tent, man. Let's go hang this up in the tent, man, and turn this baby on. Yeah, let's go do that, man. Alright. Lights hung. You know what I'm saying? We got it up in there. I don't know how I really want to have it in here. The long way like this or back like that. But here we go. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Dimmer on all the way down. Boom. Dimmer all the way down. All the infrareds and all the lights is red and the orange and the blue is working. Yeah. 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 Let's get some juice on this junk. Ooh. What was that? That's not even 50%. That's not even 50%. Whoo, full spec. You see it. Let's go. Get the back wall. Boom. What is that? A little bit past 75. Woo wee! That joint bright, boy. I can't even look in there. Let's go. Let's ramp this joint up. And maxed out. Get him! Get him! Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Bright. Flo got some little stains on it, but she... Man, so shit, y'all. Hit the link in the description below. I'm going to put the little stack-ticulars up about this light in the description below. If you want to cop it, please click my affiliate link. Help the boy out. Go to bdubgrows.com, look around, see if you want to fuck with something over there. I'm about to upload, I'm about to put my seeds on that shop. So I'm going to probably put that up on there tomorrow or sometime this weekend. Mars Hydro, I appreciate you for continually to fuck with your boy B-Dub. You fuck with me, I fucks with you back. Yeah. Coming through. Shout out to Mars Hydro, man. Y'all know what they do, man. They fuck with us growers, man. They lights is for us growers, man. You know what I'm saying? Fuck with them. They ain't too expensive. Like I said, it's only 300 watts. What the fuck? Yeah. 3, 4 fucking regular light bulbs. Let's get it. Let's get it. Woo wee. Man. Shout out to Mars Hydro for fucking with your boy B-Dub. And to the rest of y'all, hit that like button, click that notification bell, and fox with your boy B-Dub. And I'm out this bitch.